Hi and welcome back to the BotBlitzers channel. In today's video we'll be creating a wedding event planner chatbot, and we'll be using the website AI to scrape the data from that website for the AI chatbot. The AI chatbot will be able to provide details from this website, such as the prices, what kind of events they do. You'll be able to book appointments and click on any of these links. If you'd like to create a chatbot for free, all you need to do is go to the BotBlitzers website, and as I've demonstrated in other videos, you just scroll all the way down until you get to free trial, and you just click that button, and that will take you to the sign up or sign in page. Once you signed up, you just need to go to new chatbot, and for today's demonstration we're going to be using the data source website, and I'm actually going to be scraping their sitemap today, which will provide me with all the links. So if I grab this one here, load sitemap, and that'll take a few seconds, and there you go, it's found 32 links and you can see them all down here. Now what I'd usually do is go in and delete the ones that I don't need, such as privacy policy or terms of use, cookies. So there's a sample page here. Actually that could be quite handy, but these all look quite good to me. So what you need to do is select all, and then you click create chatbot. Okay, the training is done, and that took around 2 minutes, so that's not too bad. And now is where the fun begins, so we can really customize the chatbot, the prompts and everything really. So to start off with, we'll go to settings and we'll give it a name. So let's call it Chen AI. Okay, now we want to go to the flow builder, and this is where you can choose your prompt, and we do provide some templates. We've got a conversational lead template, we have a customer service template, a sales service template, appointment booking, and custom template, which is like a blank canvas, and you can just use a particular tool to create a decent prompt or just add in your own. But for this demonstration I'm going to choose sales service because I quite like that template. Okay, I'm going to click on safety prompt switch because this helps the AI to stop hallucinating. And there's certain ones that I like to add in for all my chatbots, and here they are. So scrambled eggs related questions, coding or programming related questions, all social media platforms unless they are. I've got BotBlitzers here, but you would put in any topics that is not related to the business and anything about weather. Next up we'll choose the language model, the AI language model, and we'll choose the latest, which is GPT-4 mini, and that's the cheapest one to run. And then you can add your own API key here if our subscription runs out, but you do need to, I believe it's 3 and above to access this. You can also change the temperature, so mine's on 0, so the AI will do its best to only provide data that it's been trained on. If you do like 0.4 or 0.3 or higher, it will be a bit more creative, but it might give a few more wild results. So we'll leave that at 0. You can choose your time zone. Next up we have the chat interface, and this is where you can really customize the look of your AI chatbot, and we have a lot of customizable options, more than any other chatbot service that I know. So first up we have initial messages, and this means that when a person first arrives on your website and opens up the chat window, they will see this message. You could also get the message to auto show after a certain amount of seconds. So let's put in hi. What would you like to know about wedding planning? And I always like to put a little emoji at the end. We could even get women and a man there, so that's quite effective. Next up we have suggested messages, and this really is a great way to guide someone who's using your chat window to go to a particular page or find out a certain amount of information. So what it does is, I'll show you, what are your contact details. And if a person clicks down here, the AI will be able to provide those contact details that it's been trained on. And we could also add in, what events do you provide? What are the prices, if it has some? I haven't checked all the links, so we're just kind of playing it by ear here. And we also have custom CSS that can really change the design of the chatbot. We have a lot of features that allows you to customize it already, but if you really want to dig deeper into this, we have all the elements on here, and you can easily change any one of them just by selecting, say, padding, and we could choose 20 pixels, and there you go. It's showed you in real time. So let's just go back because that doesn't look right, and I'll close custom CSS. But you can really change everything. You can change the theme from light to dark. From my last video I did light, so we'll go with dark today. You can add shadow settings. I won't go too deep into this, but you can change the font family. So what's quite wedding like Ubuntu, I quite like that. We'll go with that. You can add in a chatbot profile picture, so I can add in the logo just here, and that will show there. You could also remove it, display the name by Chen AI, and we'll change the color to a darker color so we can see the logo. It's all gone a bit too dark now. Maybe I'll change the theme back to light. That's better. You can add in an input placeholder, so ask me anything, and that shows up down the bottom here. You can add in a chat icon, so we can add in the logo here, and there you go, it shows down there. We can change the color of the chat bubble, so that looks really neat now. And that leads us on to where we can have the chat bubble button. You can have it on the left or the right. A really cool feature is the auto show message pop up after a certain amount of seconds. So the initial message like we created at the top there, if you want it to show on your website when a user first goes on your website, after a certain amount of seconds, you can put in your amount of seconds here. So I've got it as 3, so after 3 seconds that message will pop up. The next cool feature we have is lead magnet, and this works similar. Now if you want to work, you need to change this to -1, which will disable it, and now you can enable this by adding your seconds in, so we could do 3, and you can have it so it automatically displays the chat window once or every time a person goes on that page. So we'll have it as no. We also have live chat, so it's called human takeover, and the AI will hand over to a live human, and then to so you put in your email here and you'll get a confirmation to say that someone is wanting to talk to you. You can add in your own message here, and you can display source reference link. So this means if a person has asked a question, the AI will be trying to find out where to collect that data from, like what link or what page, and then it will provide the link as to where it got it from. I usually turn this off because it makes it look a bit neater. So we'll turn it off, and now we can click save. Next up we have security, and one cool feature is the rate limiting. So you can limit the number of messages sent from one device on the iframe and chat bubble. So that's really cool, and if it goes over that, there will be an error that shows. And you can also capture leads through your chatbot. So you can add a title to your lead form. You can have the lead form display at the very beginning, so before any questions have been asked, the person has to complete the lead form. You can have the lead form so it displays for every question or for human takeover only, and you can toggle all of these on and off, and you can even change the placeholder name, and you can add in your privacy policy URL as well. We want the AI chatbot to have the ability to book appointments. So what we're going to do is enable appointments, and you can integrate with Calendly, which is very popular, and also Google Calendar. So for this demo, we'll integrate our appointments with our Google Calendar account. So if I click that, and you'll see all your Google accounts, I will choose the one that I'm registered with. You just need to go to advanced, then go to hottask.com. And that is safe. It's a third-party software that we use. I'm going to continue. And now it's going to be syncing to your Google Calendar. And you have a few more options now to really customize your appointment booking schedule. Okay, so you can choose the duration of the meeting. So it could be half an hour in between each meeting, 45 minutes up to 120. You can have it as 12 hours or 24 hours. You can choose which days you can be available. So Sunday and Saturday are off. Let's just take off Thursday, Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday. You can change the time. So let's do 10 till 4 o'clock. Let's leave it at 5. Change these to 10. And I'll demonstrate this in a minute. And then we'll add a suggested message for triggering off the sequence. So we'll put in here, book appointment, please. Click save. And we'll go back and test this out. Okay, so this is the chatbot window where we could test out our chatbot. So first of all, we need to go to book appointment, please, which is our suggested message that we created earlier. So all you got to do is tap there, book appointment, please, and straight away you'll get a response. And it's given us 3 available days and 3 different times for each of those days. So we've got the 8th of the 8th, the 13th of the 8th, and the 14th of the 8th. So I'm going to go for Wednesday at 11:30. So I'll just put in there Wednesday at 11:30. Could you please provide your email address or phone number? So email is, and that should confirm it. And there we go. It's as simple as that. You've now booked an appointment. Okay, so that is the main basis of the AI chatbot, and there are a few extra things we can do. So we can upload a file if we needed to add some more data for the AI to train on. We can add in additional text, so you can just paste in any text here. You can update the website, so you can delete URLs, you can add more, you can scrape another website. Quite a lot. You can add in questions and answers. So if I went to add, you could add in a question, and when a user adds the same question or asks the same question, the AI will respond in the answer that you put in. So if I put in what is AI, and then I put in AI can help businesses thrive and do a lot of the manual work, and if I went to add, if I ask them what is AI, it will reply with this answer, but I won't need that question for a wedding chatbot an answer, so just delete all. Okay, so next up we have Google Sheets, and you can add in all your data here, and you do need to use the example template. I've gone over this in another video, so we'll skip that bit for now. And then next up we have keywords trigger. This basically means you can put in any keyword here, such as AI, best AI tools, and then in here you enter the answer that say these are the best AI tools, and then list them. And whenever someone enters that keyword, such as AI or best AI tools, it will then trigger off the answer that you gave it. So that's got some really cool use cases. And here we have company info. So here's some example data. So you can put in all your company details. And when a person uses the chatbot and might ask, tell me about your company, it can list all this information. So that's really neat. And you can embed your chatbot in an iframe anywhere on your site, as long as it's in an iframe HTML structure. And you can have it as a chat bubble like I have down here. And you can also share it as a link. Next up we have integration. So we've got Google SMS, that's for the United States only. We've got Twilio integration SMS. We've got Facebook Messenger integration, that is through Twilio as well. And also we have WhatsApp integration, that's via Twilio too. Okay, so now that we've gone over the main features of our AI chatbot, let's ask it some questions. So let's ask it, what events do you provide? And it's given us a nice answer here. weddings, corporate events, social events, fundraisers, and private parties. Let's go to their website and see if that's correct. And if we look down here, it's got the correct links that the AI chatbot gave us, or the correct answers that match these links. So let's ask it another couple of questions. Can I see your portfolio page? So I'm asking it to share a link with me, and here we go, it has. So if we click there, and this is their portfolio, as you can see there. So it's a quick way of getting to a particular page of the website. Let's ask one more question. What are the prices? And we have something here. The prices for wedding planner service can vary based on the complexity and scale of the event. So it's given us a rough estimate between 5,000 and 10,000. God, that is expensive. Okay guys, and that's how we create a wedding event planner chatbot. If you'd like to test out this chatbot, just go to our website at BotBlitzers.com, go to AI Chatbot Demos, and you'll see a list of chatbots that you can test out already, and I will add this new one here as soon as possible. Okay, if you'd like to see more tutorials on BotBlitzers, just go to our YouTube channel. You can type in BotBlitzers and it'll come up with all our videos. And don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates and tutorials. And if you click on this form, which I'll leave the link in the description, when you sign up for any one of our subscription packages, first time buyers, you'll get a free extra chatbot. Okay, that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next video.